Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to withdraw money from Allchinabuy, here's exactly how to do it step by step. First, make sure you already have an account, and if not, you can quickly sign up using your email. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen where your name appears, over here. Click on your name, and from the drop-down menu, select My Balance. On the balance page, you'll see two main options, top up and withdraw. Click on withdraw. This will take you to the withdrawal page where you can also view your transaction history. The most important part here is choosing your withdrawal method. There's a drop-down list with several options you can find here, including PayPal, Alipay, WeChat, MyBank, TT, and plenty of others. Once you have selected your preferred withdrawal method, just follow the on-screen instructions. Usually that means entering your account details and confirming the withdrawal amount. After you've completed the steps, your money will be sent to the account you selected. That's it. That's how you withdraw your funds from Allchinabuy. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.